Leetcode medium problem 1792 maximum average pass ratio. So the result of this maximum ratio will be calculated by adding up of these things and divided by 3. Since this is just the length of the array and will not change, so all we care about is these 3 ratios for all classes. And once we put an extra student into one class, it will be something like this will be the difference before and after this change. So this increment gonna affect the final result. If we want to something maximum, we want this increment. We want to make this increment as big as possible. So if we can have an array, pick out the smallest number, which is for a class, and put an extra student into this class, then sort this array again, repeat this process. We're gonna optimize this insertion to make sure every extra student will bring us the maximum of increment, and so we can have the maximum pass ratio. So first of all, the first or the minimum one, and insert a student and resort. And with this, we can go with heap P, heap Q,